Hey guys, welcome. We're learning how to start and grow your business from home with cash you already have using crypto. And I am so grateful that you have joined us in our masterclass because it is certain for you to be here and it is certain to figure out that financial number because we have a proving system and formula that will give you what you desire over the next 12 months. Appreciate you. See you in. Okay, that's good. That's good. Well, let's see. What is blockchain technology not? Well, here's the deal. Most people think that blockchain technology is Bitcoin. So let's make it very clear. Bitcoins or any other digital tokens that you own, whether it's PLU tokens, whether it's Litecoin, Cardano, these are digital tokens you own. See, the blockchain technology is behind the Bitcoin you own. See, blockchain is the digital ledger, just like a bank statement, to keep the record keeping of who owns the digital tokens. So, with that being shared, you're not able to have Bitcoin or any other digital tokens without blockchain. However, you can have a blockchain technology without Bitcoin. So, what are we familiar with? And what I would like for you to do is to read this along with me is that we're familiar with, for instance, when you put money into your bank account to uphold and maintain your cash, right, that you already have readily available, and the money is made available on your debit card for use to purchase goods and services. Whether you can pay a bill, whether you can shop online, whether you go get some gas at the gas station, right? Well, here's the deal. It's not the debit card, which is the money, it is the technology of the debit card number, which serves as a medium of exchange to transfer funds from your bank account as the sender to the receiver with a certain amount transferred. I want you guys to remember this, okay? See, this transaction is then debited from your bank account and recorded on your bank statement ledger. So, in summary, once all the data is filled in the block, it is then closed on a secure system and encrypted on a decentralized networking system. So I'm going to pause right here. When we hear the word secure system and encrypted on a decentralized, what does it mean to you?
A way for the money to stay out of the reserve bank system.
Okay. And so when we say the reserve system, what does it mean? Are we talking about like financial institutions, governing
Yeah,
authorities?
the Federal Reserve Bank, where they can tax it.
Uh-huh. And that's correct. So now when we talk about decentralized, meaning that it is not on something that's centralized where banking authorities and financial institutions can control. That is absolutely correct. So, how does the blockchain technology work? So, for example, as an early adopter for those who are veteran in trading cryptocurrencies, you're a sender of information, right? You put all that financial data on a block. Then, as a receiver of information, you're going to send some money over to Miro. You say, hey, Miro, I'm going to give you 50,000 in Bitcoin. Miro's like,
Let's
yeah, that's what's
go. I
up.
like this. This is my favorite presentation.
And as a result, what happens? Well, once all the data is filled in the block, it is again then closed on a secure system and encrypted on a decentralized networking system. So that's why it says the blockchain technology cannot be hacked or either altered. So as a result, when you do this on a continuous basis, what happens? It starts to create a blockchain technology. So that's where the word blockchain technology comes from, and that's where we go. So now let's go into what cryptocurrency is and how does it work. Well, we already know is that you have custody and holding the crypto in your own e-banking system via the blockchain technology to govern how you want to buy and sell it on the cryptocurrency exchange, which is so awesome. Now, the response for what's happening around globally and also locally in our smartphones is that it's giving monetary value and power back to you and I, yes, the people. You see, now we're going to go into that bonus on how does a smart contract work and benefit you. Have you all heard of the word smart contract before?
You're looking for us to unmute, darling.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But
We're all nodding. We're all nodding our heads vigorously.
yeah.
Go
Forgot
ahead.
that you can't see us.
Yeah. So let's. I'll probably. Yeah. So what do we think about what a smart contract is, and how does it operate? So I want to hear everybody's perspective, so then we can all collectively get crystal clear on what it is exactly. So go ahead, Jackie, and then everybody else come on and chime in, so we can learn what a smart contract is and how it can benefit you.
I understand it just to be the understanding behind any particular crypto, whether it's a token or a coin. The smart contract is what this thing can do, what it can be used for, how it's structured.
Yeah, I agree with that. And I'd say it's kind of the rules of a coin, a token, or a blockchain technology element, whichever. NFTs, including NFTs, etc. It's basically the rules, and it's hard coded into the blockchain where any participant in the network can review it because it's transparent. When people know how to look at the code in the blockchain, it's obvious and it cannot be changed.
Awesome.
That's my understanding between Jackie and Miro.
Awesome sauce. Well, as you all shared, that's how it's worked. So imagine that we're all employers and we have some amazing employees. And usually the traditional way is that you have a mutual agreement that's in a traditional instrument, for as in what is a confidentiality agreement, what is a terms and agreements. But this time we have something that is revolutionized, that is in the world of the internet, where it is backed by an Ethereum network, and you can have the ability to put internal data and business rules and logic on how that smart contract is performed. So once it's triggered by the events based on dates and rules and regulation that you schedule inside of it, this is how you have the ability to execute. And what is so awesome is that majority of industries are now learning how this smart contract works and can benefit both parties. Number one, it can be trusted and is highly transparent. It has a speed and being highly effective and being efficient, and it's safe and secure. And of course, it's on a decentralized networking system, what makes it independent. So how does a smart contract work and benefit you? Is that when both parties come together and have a mutual agreement, it is now put on the blockchain where it can be executed immediately and efficiently. So let's look at how a smart contract system can work for you. So this is a program that we're going to be sharing on how the company PLCU comes in agreement with you in order to get what you deserve when it comes to your return on investment and the financial number you deserve. So with this contract, it's paying out 50% per month, and as a result, it will pay out in the next 12 months, utilizing a mentor and a minting system to produce the tokens for you, where it's depositing into your e-wallet. So imagine as an employer, you're doing this on behalf of your employee, and you put a smart contract together. It is now executed. So when persons say, hey, did you get the job done? I sure did. Now where's my money? Well, guess what? It's all in the smart contract and is delivering as promised on those dates.
Hello. In this video, you will learn about Ultima Farm and Ultima Minta. While miners around the world were puzzled by the search for a more promising coin to mine, rise in electricity bills, and the quest for a new ultra-powerful video card, PLC Ultima creators have made a real breakthrough and implemented a way of mining coins right on the smartphone. This became possible due to minting blockchain technology and the successful combination of our two products, Ultima Farm and Ultima Minta. Let's take a closer look to each one. Minting is the process of producing new coins on the blockchain. By and large, this is an automatic smart contract to block a certain amount of cryptocurrency and receive a reward for it. Ultima Farm is a mobile application for producing PLC Ultima coins with smart contracts, which generates profits simply by freezing coins in the farm wallet. Smart contracts make it possible to produce coins over a 1-year period, guaranteeing continuous coin production during the entire term of operation. Production output depends on the market conditions and the period when the contract is created. Ultima Minta is a digital certificate that allows the farm to access the minting of coins. As the number of coins for production and the number of users who can produce coins are strictly limited, the digital certificate is paid. The number of coins available for blocking on the farm depends on the Ultima Minta category. Now let's look at how new coins are mined. To start minting, you need to download and install 2 free applications, Ultima Farm, which is a holding farm, and Ultima Wallet, which is a wallet for new coins. After free registration and payment for a digital certificate, which is Ultima Minta, that is suitable for you, you must block a certain amount of funds, top up your farm with coins, and click on the minting button. Once you start minting on the farm, you will receive new coins on your main wallet in equal amounts over the course of 1 year. Our technologies have already transformed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people dreaming of earning a passive income on the blockchain. The minted coins can be easily spent, transferred, stored, quickly and securely used for other operations. The user is the sole owner of their coins and all the necessary information to restore access to their wallet. That's why you should carefully review our instructions on how to secure funds on the farm and e-wallet.